Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we will teach you how to fix iPhone and iPad issue. This app is not available in your country or region. For example, we are trying to download this application. We'll click on App Store. So here you can see the error, app not available. So what you have to do, you have to click on your profile picture here. And then you have to click on your App Store account. Now you have to log in to your App Store account. Click on Sign In tab. And then you have to click on Country or Region. Click on Change Country or Region. From here you have to select any other country. And then you have to click on Agree. Again click on Agree. And in payment method you have to select None. Scroll down, write down any address. And then you have to select the zip code. Type any random phone number. And then you have to click on Next. Click on Done. Now we'll try to download the same application again. So you can see the application is now visible on our App Store. So in the same way, you can also fix this app is not available in your country or region issue on iOS devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.